Once you confirm the vehicle is parked safely, hold the shift boot collar in place and unscrew the knob counterclockwise. This will unclip the shift boot from the shift knob. To install the Ranger series shift knob, remove the Velcro patch and screw it on clockwise until it bottoms out. Then we need to back up a little so that the Tacoma lettering is facing directly backwards. This aligns the clip with the shift boot. Tighten the center screw with supplied 4mm Allen key. We want about 8 to 10 foot-pounds, but just use your common sense. To attach the shift boot, first insert the collar into the shift knob. Turn the boot collar counterclockwise to click it in place. Reapply the Velcro patch and you are all set. Now take a break and admire your newly transformed interior. I hope you enjoy the new and engaging shifting experience.